Pratt & Whitney is a subsidiary of United Technologies Corporation based in East Hartford, Connecticut. The company's primary function is to design and manufacture military and commercial aircraft engines. The product types include aircraft engines, military jet engines, business aviation engines, helicopter engines, and auxiliary power units. The services it offers include engine repairs and overhauls, automation, and customer training. The aerospace industry is comprised of aircraft engine manufacturing, missile manufacturing, and the research and development within air and space travel. The industry consists of high-tech parts, machines, and high-level research. Public and private sectors have crossover with contracts and purchasing. The largest sector of the aerospace industry is commercial airplanes. Aircraft engines make up a large portion of the research, development, and revenue generated by the industry. Pratt & Whitney and its competitors cater to large contracts and custom products for specific commercial and military applications. The companies in this industry are considered high-technology companies. Their employees are some of the most elite scientists, engineers, and mechanics in the world. The aerospace industry is not just about manufacturing engines. Much of the research is conducted on the physical and science behind flight and the atmosphere. Pratt & Whitney's main competitors include Honeywell Aerospace, Rolls-Royce, and General Electric. U.S. aerospace manufacturers are very competitive internationally. In 2017, the industry contributed $143 billion in export sales to the U.S. economy. Its positive trade balance of nearly $85 billion that year was the largest trade surplus of any manufacturing industry, supporting high-wage jobs for hundreds of thousands of American workers. At the end of 2017, inward stock of foreign direct investment into the U.S. aerospace manufacturing industry totaled more than $21 billion. Foreign firms are attracted to the U.S. aerospace market because it is the largest in the world and has a skilled and educated workforce, extensive distribution systems, diverse offerings, and strong support at the local and national level for policy and promotion. The U.S. aerospace industry directly employs about 485,000 workers in scientific and technical jobs across the nation, and supports more than 700,000 jobs in related fields. Investment in the U.S. aerospace industry is facilitated by a large pool of well-trained mechanics and aerospace engineers. Investors in the U.S. aerospace industry are supported by the Federal Aviation Administration's boosting the confidence in the safety of aircraft technology manufactured in the U.S. The FAA has bilateral aviation safety agreements with 47 countries outside the United States in support of our products. In the past 3 decades, global air traffic has grown about 5% annually. In recent years, these figures have been exceeded. Notable regions of significant growth are China, India, and Indonesia. The percentage of the population participating in significant air travel in these countries is expected to be exponential between now and the year 2035. India is predicting a growth of 2% of the population flying regularly today to 20% by 2035. China from 17% to 55%, and Indonesia from 10 to 35%. In addition, the number of passenger aircraft in service will reportedly double from 15,000 to 30,000 within the next 15 years. Expenditure in the defense sector towards military aircraft has climbed into the trillions between China, Saudi Arabia, and Russia. Factors influencing this trend include increase in disposable income, fuel prices, development of historically underdeveloped nations, and international political tensions. Pratt & Whitney's latest F-135 engine family is at the forefront of this trend, and it is affixed to the newly developed F-35 fighter jet ubiquitous throughout the U.S. Armed Forces. Pratt & Whitney operates at the cutting edge of the latest technology. This industry requires large amounts of research, testing, and moving potential products through a dense series of approvals before it becomes available to the market. Some products have taken years to create and get to the market. Other products have been fully customized for specialty clients such as the U.S. Air Force and commercial aircraft companies. The development of products is very specialized and requires unique skill sets. Interestingly, recent reports indicate that China is making a big push to develop military artificial intelligence technologies, and China and Russia are developing sophisticated air-to-air missile systems that use advanced imagery and sensors to thwart enemy intrusions before they even hit the skies. Aside from its organic research and development department, Pratt & Whitney often collaborates with technology partners outside of the aerospace and defense segment to adapt those technologies towards aerospace applications and platforms for the future. There is increasing pressure on all corporations to improve the physical environment by reducing pollution and carbon footprint, enhancing health, safety, and preventing natural disasters. Due to this global pressure and the advent of many corporate social responsibility initiatives, the aerospace industry has been trending towards improving fuel efficiency of engines. This addresses the widespread concerns over the impact of burning fossil fuels in the environment, on the atmosphere. The issue of safety in aerospace has always been a priority with firms in the designing of their products. For example, a safety issue with an engine model that Pratt & Whitney supplied for the Airbus Neo aircraft resulted in a stock price decrease in January 2018. Safety is a top priority of firms in the aerospace industry and defense industry because no airline or military group will be willing to purchase an engine or parts that have known safety issues. Airplane crashes and other accidents are costly, and hence engine manufacturers such as Pratt & Whitney must maintain high safety standards. Another benefit to the physical environment comes from Pratt's geared turbofan engine technology, providing revolutionary reductions in fuel usage and a reduction in ground noise when used in next generation aircraft.